ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के।
वंदे में था दम, वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम।
ओ भाई भाई का दुश्मन है बना रे, नफरत की आधी बहती रे।
Cleanliness is next to godliness. Gandhiji's philosophy on hygiene resonates profoundly with the vision for a Swachh Bharat. Today, on Gandhi Jayanti, we at OSM paid tribute to the father of the nation, Mohan Das Karamchand Gandhiji. He was not only leading us to independence, but also imparted invaluable wisdom. At OSM, we embrace this wisdom by starting the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan from our homes. We believe in Swachh Bharat ki shuruwat apne ghar se. Today, we commence this cleanliness drive from our factories in Faridabad and in Pune. This is extremely an important day. Every OSM member pledges to maintain cleanliness in our surroundings and habits. A clean home leads to a clean community, and a clean community paves the way for a clean nation. Let's unite to honor Gandhiji's legacy and build a cleaner, healthier, and a more prosperous Bharat. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.